How to delete threads from your Instagram bio. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily delete the threads badge from your Instagram bio. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Now, let's get into the video. The first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged in your account. And once you are logged in, all you need to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And from here, as you can see, I have my Threads badge right here on my bio. Now, if you want to remove it, first thing that you need to do is go ahead and tap on this option right here, Edit Profile. Once you tap on it, you'll have different options like your name, username, bio, your banners, your gender, and finally at the very end you will see the show threads badge option. If this is toggled on, you just want to turn it off. Now if I go back, as you can see, my threads badge has been removed from my bio. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys all in the next one.